To add Razorpay on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the Settings section. Click on Payments and then select Alternative Payment Methods. Search for Razorpay in the search bar and click on the Razorpay Payment Gateway. You will be redirected to the Razorpay website where you need to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required details such as your business name, email address, and phone number. Once you have signed up, you will receive an email to verify your account. After verifying your account, log in to the Razorpay dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. Click on API Keys and generate a new key. Copy the key ID and key secret as you will need these to configure Razorpay on Shopify. Go back to your Shopify account and click on the Razorpay Payment Gateway. Enter the key ID and key secret that you generated earlier. Select the payment methods that you want to offer to your customers such as credit card, debit card, net banking, and UPI. Click Save and Razorpay will be added as a payment method on your Shopify store. You can test the payment method by placing a test order. Make sure to test all the payment methods that you have enabled to ensure that they are working correctly. It is also important to configure the webhook settings to receive notifications for successful payments. To do this, navigate to the Settings section on the Razorpay dashboard and click on Webhooks. Enter the URL of your Shopify store and select the events that you want to receive notifications for. By following these steps, you can easily add Razorpay as a payment method on your Shopify store and start accepting payments from your customers. Razorpay is a secure and reliable payment gateway that offers a wide range of payment methods and competitive transaction fees.